Hey, just back sharing another quick video on this Ford Taurus X I'm working on. Recently replaced the transfer case on it, made a couple videos on it, but decided to make a video on this because this back latch hatch, or whatever you want to call it, the hatch latch, this whole piece right here is part of the latch that opens the door. It has a little button here. And winter time, it's all icy and the door is like stuck and frozen. Or if you ever wash your car in the winter time, if you're in winter conditions, or it'll just, like, over time you'll just pull it right off if you keep on forgetting to click the latch and pull on it. But anyway, this side was loose when I first got it, and like I said, the whole thing just ripped right off when I went to go like open it up and pull on it, because it's only got little plastic clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 about, and a couple on the bottom. But I figured if I got a replacement, it would do it again. So instead of getting a replacement piece, I decided to have a look underneath and see what it looked like, to see if I can get any screws in there. And yeah, there's one right there. I could, if you look here in these spots by the light, and over here there's a little spot, I managed to get where is it, screws, drilled some holes in there, smaller than these screws. You could also use a self-tapping screw if you want, or something with a good washer on it. And if you look here, they're not perfectly like centered and drilled and everything. I just drilled some holes in there, and once I got those holes drilled and it all lined up and everything, where all the contacts were, where the clips broke off, instead of getting another one, like I said, I just glued all those contacts, and then I drilled these holes, put these screws in, and way better, like way better. Like, I could hang off of that now. There's no way I'm pulling that off again. Gonna work perfectly. I didn't have to get a replacement part. I believe this is way better than it factory. Like, that ain't coming off for a while with those contacts glued. You can go as far as siliconing under there to seal it all off and putting in those screws, and that's 100% way better than what it was. I guarantee it's not going to come off again. Simple stuff. That's a hatch latch repair on a 2009 Ford Taurus X. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.